Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you had an amazing weekend. It's beautiful outside. Hope you got outside, got some sunlight, and enjoyed the weather. Okay, so today, for Tuesday's assignment on 5-5, you're going to complete a new Zella article. You're going to click on the link. It's going to bring you to this page here. It's going to ask you to sign in. You're going to click sign in. Make sure that you use Google because if you use anything else, it won't register correctly. You're going to click your any Academy accounts. Don't do any other accounts or else the results from the quiz will not be known. Alright, so it's going to bring you to this page here and you're going to first adjust the reading level to your level of comfort, whatever that may be. And then you're going to read the article. You can always come back and adjust the comfort level to whatever. If you're reading, you're like, nah, this is too simple or too difficult, then you're going to come back up here and you can always adjust it, okay, to whatever you want it to be. Okay, so you're going to read through this, and just like you would in class, you're going to highlight any information that you deem to be important. So it says not many things have endured with major transformation over 5,000 years. That is one reason Hindu traditions stand out. Hindu might be the oldest religion on earth. Well, that's probably important because it's saying it might be the oldest religion. So all you do is you click on it, and then this is going to come up, and then you just click the color that you want, and then you could say like oldest. You don't have to write anything. You can if you want. To understand how Hinduism has lasted so long, it's important to know the beliefs of Hinduism. They are closely tied to its historical foundations. Archaeologists say highly developed civilizations grew around the Indus Valley between 4000 and 1500 BC. Dates are always important, so I'm going to highlight that. You can change the color as you read. You could just say Indus Valley. And so just as you read, you're going to highlight important information. You can highlight the subtopic just like you would in class. You can do them all the same color if you want, all yellow for all the subtopics. And then you're going to find information that supports this because that might help you with your activity you're going to do. So Hinduism encourages individual needs. So anything that talks about individual needs, I'm going to highlight that information. Hinduism stands apart from other religions for several reasons. It has no single founder, no single book of law, and no central religious organization. Well, that's very important. No single founder and no single book of law, no central religious organization. Hinduism is a code of life, a collection of attitudes, personal experiences, and religious practices. That code is defined by behaviors rather than beliefs. Is that individual needs? No. Hindu teachings say there is one way of being. All religions are simply interpretations of the way of being. Because of this, Hinduism allows and even encourages individuals to choose a religious path that best suits their social and economic needs. Well, that talks about individualism. So, I'll do her. So just as you read, you're going to do that. And there's only 3 sections. There's the Vedic beliefs carry on, scriptures of internal truths, and the one we just read, Hinduism encourages individual needs. So you're going to read through this, you're going to highlight what you deem to be important to support this. And then once you're done, you're going to click on activities and then just the quiz. You don't do the writing part, just the quiz part. Okay? And it's 4 questions. If you don't do well on the quiz, you can always lower the reading level, or if you want to challenge yourself to a higher reading level, however you want to do it. But if you think you want to do better on the quiz, then you can always change the reading level and retake the quiz based on the article. The questions will change because the article changes. So just be mindful of that. Okay, so that's all you're going to do. And once you're done, you're going to go back into Google Classroom and just click Turn In, and then you're done. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact me and let me know. I would gladly walk you through this. If there's anything I can help you with this, I would take the time to help you. Whatever it is you need, I'm here for you. All right, have a great day. I'll talk to you guys tomorrow if you visit our Zoom session at 2, and I look forward to seeing you. Bye.